Multi-purpose pocket tool, seamlessly combined 12 kits including plier, knife, saw, screwdriver, wire cutter, bottle can opener into one multi-tool, and it come with a durable nylon pouch. A must-have for any toolbox. Durable and sturdy stainless steel tools, well made in black oxidation stainless steel. This product is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. It can also withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Easy to take along, comes with a heavy-duty nylon pouch which can be strapped to the belt loop. You'll forget its existence. A fantastic gift for adventure seekers. If you are looking for a special gift for your loved ones who like exploring, hiking, fishing, camping, hunting, or backpacking, then our Multi-Functional Utility Pliers Tool is a perfect choice. 100% satisfaction guarantee. We stand behind our products and warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer lifetime warranty and no reason return policy to guarantee you the best purchase experience. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.